Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Simple Traffic Stop on Wendy's Workers Lead to 6 Felonies and Pure Chaos. Let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about. All right.
Today on Uncovered.
Get off of me! I'm not doing the back up! Oh, get up! You're taking me! Oh, they're taking me!
Stop! Don't worry, Officer Lizy Windsor Township. Just license registration insurance for me.
What was the reason for the stop?
It says the registered owner is suspended. Are you a registered owner?
Yeah, but how you...
From your tag.
He was like literally not even behind me though.
Correct. Your tag showed that you're the registered owner and suspended.
But you weren't behind me.
I don't have to be behind you.
So you do have to be behind me for it.
All I had to do is see your tag.
So you looked at my tag and it say, she's suspended. Or do I look like I'm suspended?
No, the computer says you're suspended.
But how would the computer say I'm suspended if you
Because your tag gets run.
You weren't even behind me though.
I don't have to be behind you to do that.
So
License, registration, insurance.
The driver attempts to locate her documents for the officer.
That's insurance.
And then just your ID for me.
Your what?
The ID. Do you have it on your phone?
Yep.
Do you have a driver's license if she can't drive the car? Is it active? Can I see it and I'll let you drive the car then?
We're
Okay.
literally on our way to work. Yeah, literally on the way.
Central all units on Area 73 corridor. You can call from the
Well, if you want to give me your name, I'll allow you to drive the car.
73 in Jackson, heading southbound.
I can look up your ID that way.
50 driving slow.
All right, give me a second.
The officer heads back to his vehicle with her information and comes to learn that she currently has 2 warrants out for her arrest.
All right, can you just step out for me real quick?
What's the reason?
You have 2 active warrants
So what's that mean?
that you have to come to the station.
I can't go. Officer, I can't go to the station.
Well, you don't have a choice.
Like you can't
So-
RR me or nothing.
No, so listen, you're gonna step out, or I'm gonna make you step out. That's your 2 options.
Wait, what do you mean? You gonna make
somebody,
You-
So can we call somebody? Because you cannot pull her out the car.
Actually, I can.
By law.
You want to bet?
Oh God. Oh man. I hate when I consider everyone kind of like the bystanders that's not like the main subject. So excuse me, all right, bystander may be the wrong word, okay? But you got the friend here who thinks she's a lawyer, okay, and is gonna tell the officer what he can and cannot do. You have a warrant. You're going. So that's the end of the story. We don't need your little side comments or whatever. We don't need that, okay? I'm talking to this lady right here. We're dealing with this, okay?
Get out, but
that what? You're not gonna pull me.
can she call
If she can't call him. She has a warrant.
Okay,
She's
we
coming
need
with
somebody
me.
to come get the car.
Call who?
You can. So listen, step out.
Okay, sir.
I'm not. We
Step
just
out.
asked for your name and badge number.
You'll get that. Step out.
But I just asked
Listen,
for your name and badge
doesn't
number.
matter. Step out. You have a warrant.
That's fine, you guys, you'll get that, but either way, you have a warrant, you're gonna get processed and released, that's it. It's not a big deal. We'll do the paperwork, you'll get processed and released. You can take over the car. Do you have a license?
One more time.
That was the whole point of him going back there was to put my name in the system and stuff. So what did he get my name in the system?
Step out.
One second. Look, you don't have
Step out.
You don't have to put your
Step out.
You don't have to
Step
put
out.
your name in.
Step out.
Step out. Get off of me. Get off of me. Get off of me. Get off of me.
Step
Get
out.
off of me. I can step out myself. Get off of me.
Step out.
I can step out by myself. Get off of me.
Step out.
Get off of me. Get the off of me.
Step
Get
out.
off of me.
You get a lot
Get
worse.
off of me. Get off of me.
This right here, whatever. She's acting like she's whatever. We expect it, whatever. But anyways, this is the friend you don't want, okay? Because she is hyping her up. I think if she wasn't here, she would act a little bit more different. Would she still give some resistance and some pushback? Of course. I mean, who the heck wants to go to jail? So they're gonna give pushback. You know what I mean? Cause she knows she hot. She already know that. That's why she ain't really wanna, But when you got friends like this that's boasting you up and hyping you up, that's no. She needs to be like, all right, how many hours? When is she gonna be released? Can I come grab her? Like, you know, stuff like that. Not getting out the car, coming around, getting into the officer's face, whatever. That's how you end up going to jail too.
Get off of me! She will.
Walk over there.
I'm not walking over me! Get off of me! I literally just said get something. Get off of me!
Step out.
Get off of me!
Step out.
Get off of me!
No, step out.
How am I gonna step out?
Step out.
Get off of me! Get off of me!
Step out.
Get off of me!
Step out, you're
Get off of me!
or you're gonna get put on the ground.
Please. Bro, get
You're
off
getting put
of
on
me!
the ground.
Bro,
Come here.
get off of me! That is a
Step out.
female! Tell me to get off of her arm! Look what he's
No.
doing!
She's
refusing to get out of the car.
She's going to
Step
get
out.
out of the car! Get off of me!
Step out.
Get off of me!
Step
Step
out, you're
over
on
here.
or you're gonna get put on the ground.
Bro, get
Step
off of
over
me!
here,
Bro,
or you're also going to get arrested.
Stop! Don't touch me!
Back up
I'm
now.
not doing that!
Back
Get
up.
off of me!
Step out.
Get off of me!
Step
You
out.
will.
Come on, off the phone. Back up.
She has to!
Back
has
up.
to get off her arm!
She doesn't have to do anything. She can get
Yes,
out of the car.
she's a female!
Oh my goodness. What does her being a female have to do with anything? That has nothing to do with nothing, okay? And that's what I said. Like, man, I sound loud. Like, cause I don't have the headphones on, so like typically it'd be like enclosed. They're talking so loud that I could hear. It's crazy. I can hear the whole thing. Okay, it's really annoying. But her being a female has nothing to do with nothing. And that's what I said. I said by the friend coming over and, you know, want to interject herself into the situation, well, you know what? You could go to jail too. You know what I'm saying? Like, back up, whatever. You know what I'm saying? You interfering with the investigation. You know how they go throw the words in there. You interfere with the investigation, you know? Like, come on. Like, that, the female officer should do a better job at controlling this girl right here. I would be pretty pissed if I was the guy officer. The other officer should be controlling this girl right here. Like, back up, whatever. Like, you know, give some room. If you want to film, whatever, do your thing. But no, you're not going to just get up in the other officer's face that's trying to take in a suspect who has a warrant.
In a sec.
Yo, what?
Right, grab her arm.
Bro, get off of me!
Get
Bro, get off of me!
Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
She will.
Get out of the car.
Time to get out. Step out.
Now, she's
Get
not.
off of me!
If she
Get
wasn't,
off of
she
me!
would get out.
Get off of me! Get off of me! Get off of
Step
me!
out.
Get off of me!
Step out.
Get off of me!
She's gonna get out.
Get off of me!
Okay,
Get off of me!
get out.
Get off of me!
This is what
Look,
you
it's
get.
two of y'all! What you're doing
She's
to
under
her!
arrest.
And you're still struggling to get me out of
If
here!
I were the man, she'd be on the ground.
Stop
Let's go.
touching me! Bro, get off of me!
Step out.
Okay,
Get off of me!
Step out of the car.
I don't give a
Okay, this one. Get over there.
I'm not going
Get over
nowhere.
there
You're not
now.
going to manhandle her. That's a
She needs to get out of the car.
So you get out the car.
Back up now.
Don't touch me.
Get back
Don't
now.
touch me.
Get
Don't
the
touch me. Don't
back.
touch me.
You're interfering.
Step out.
Get off me. Let me roll my windows up.
Step out.
Let me go. Let me roll my
Step
windows
out.
up.
You're making this way worse.
Get off of me. Get off of me.
Step out.
Get off of me. Get off of me.
Please,
Step
ma'am,
out.
get out of the car.
Step out.
You need to back up. Thank you.
Get off of me. What are
Step
you?
out.
What did you
Back up. I'm not going to tell you again.
You're really struggling, bro.
I'm not struggling. I'm trying not to throw you on the ground.
Struggling. Bro, take my keys. Don't give him my keys. Like, you really struggling.
trying
You can have
not
to
to
put
throw you on the
mine.
ground. I'm really trying not
I
to.
can do it myself. I can do it myself.
Just put your hands behind your back.
Take my phone.
Where's stable?
Can somebody come? Because they're taking her, bro.
Why is this girl right there? Like, why is the light-skinned one right in the middle of everything, bro? This is horrible police work. Horrible. When we get back to the station, I'm gonna be so pissed off at the female officer, bro. Like, I'm gonna be pissed. You can't control crowd control. It's crowd control, really. You know what I'm saying? Like, why is she right up to the, if she want to give her property and stuff like that, that's fine. Let's deal with her, get her in the car first. We'll deal with whatever, her property, if she wants the property to go to her friend or whoever the case may be. But for her to be right up in the mix, the light-skinned one is closer to the situation than the actual other officer.
Like, I'm not.
You guys had to make this difficult.
Because you wanted to be shut
Over there, get out of the situation. She didn't want to cooperate. Done.
What's your name and your badge number, sir?
She'll get it on the paperwork.
I want his badge number right now.
She'll get it on the paperwork.
I want his badge number right now.
She'll get it on the paperwork.
I want his badge number right
Back
now.
up
I
now.
know I have the right to get his badge
She
number.
will get it.
My phone number is 1121. The password 1121.
She's coming to.
Bro, I want her name and badge number.
All right, turn around.
What do you mean turn around?
You were.
Oh, get up! You're taking me.
You're-
Bro, they're taking me.
Stop.
Oh, get
Stop.
off of me. Get off of me.
Stop.
Now this is good work.
You put me
Yeah.
on the floor.
Trying to
I'm
put
gonna
Then stop
Let's go.
resisting.
You was
Get the
interfering.
Get off of me, bro.
Your ass
Get
will go
off
back
of me.
Come on.
many
Get
times.
off of me.
Stop.
Get off of me. Get the f off of me. Get the f out of headbutt.
Good work.
Body. Get off me. Yo, bro. Get off it. Look on my face. You bum. Yo, word of my dad. I'm gonna f you up, bitch. Word of my dad.
Ooh, threat.
Get off
Oh,
me, bro.
good job.
I am pregnant. You on my stomach. Yo, word of my
Nobody's
dad.
on your stomach.
You're on my stomach.
And you shouldn't resist it. Nobody
Yeah.
We're
cares.
not on your stomach. It's all on body camera.
Get me off the fucking floor, you bum. Word of my dad, I'ma spit on you. I'm spitting on
You're
you.
racking up your charges. Keep going.
Get off of me! You're not even picking me up right, you bum. Get off of me.
Good job.
It's
I want your badge number, I want
You're
your
gonna get all
badge
of it.
number, I want your name.
that's fine. You're gonna get all of
Get
it.
off me.
Yo, hello? Officer, I know you got the phone in your hand. I see.
Can you just pat her down for me?
Pat me down for what? I just came from work.
Yo, bro.
Bro, can you tell him the address so they can come get the car, please?
Come get the car. That thing getting towed.
Taking us, bro. The car's right here. Next to the corner store. Next to the corner store.
She ain't got nothing.
Huh? We're in Woodwood. Next Kenwood. Inwood? Kenwood. Kenwood, next to the corner store. Right down the street from the house. Oh, because this is a rider.
There's no clear. I'm going to be back around at 244. That's in the Taylor shop.
Bad. Oh, no.
Here, let me lock these so they don't get tighter.
Bro, this ain't supposed to be happening right now, bro.
Well, you wanted to interfere.
Girl, you know this fishy, bro.
Gave you many times to just sit back and you wanted to.
Stop talking
Come
to
on.
me. Stop talking to me.
Put her in your car for now.
Don't knock him with this file with that call.
Yeah, keep them separated.
Bro, I'm not even from out here, bro.
I'm racing over there now.
Type in Kenwood Drive. The car's gonna be here. Sicklerville. Kenwood Drive in Sicklerville. She'll get it on her paperwork. One of them's coming. Someone's coming to get the car.
The driver was arrested for her 2 warrants, as well as driving on a revoked license and resisting arrest. The second female was arrested for obstructing justice and resisting arrest. Let us know how you guys felt about this arrest.
Oh boy, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Listen, these officers in the beginning, like I was like, yo, this is terrible police work, right? Terrible. Can't control the crowd, nothing. And then they turned around and they made up for it. They made up for it because she definitely should have went. The light-skinned one should have definitely went too. For sure, 100%. 100% she should have definitely went. Like, what? Oh, they made up. Good job, boys. That was good work. Cause yeah, I was like, oh no, this is horrible. This is horrible. That female officer, I don't know. Yeah, but they made up for it though. They made up for it. Good job. Good job.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.